Whoa. Okay, so I am definitely wrong with my cut. Angle looks right. Can't really see though, which is a pain in the ass. Ah, yeah. Oops. Mission failed. Everybody keeps on going down. Oh, flex the muscles. Oh. Oh, again. Yeah, the clad, mate. Come on. Oh, stop it. Shit. Oh, you missed it. Too short. Fucking get this fucking thing out. This fucking tape is so garbage. Okay, puppy. I wanna know, have you ever seen rain? Regret not just ripping this aircon unit off the wall. Okay, I got one side. Kind of. Okay, problem has started. Trim. Oh shit. Uh-oh. Okay, I think I'm gonna have to revisit this. Oh, my neck. If this fucking tape measure starts working, you better take cover. Oh my god, what a c***. Oh, that sucked. Fuck, that was hard. It sucked. Hopefully she fits. Oh, thank fuck. Last piece. The last dandelion. Thank God. Merry Christmas. I'm excited. I'm so excited. Don't look at me, bum. Come on. Oh yeah. Shit, where's the button? Right there. How bloody good does that look? It's a bit ugly, but it'll do. You know what? That'll do for today. I want to knock off.